Hey, welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince VE6LK, and with me is TJ, K9KJ. Now, TJ has been a ham since 1993, but he tells me that his journey to CW began a year earlier with a family member, and he just knew he had to get into it. Now, down below in the comments and the description, I will put a link to his Insta page and his YouTube channel. He has fantastic videos on CW on his YouTube channel, and I encourage you to all go out and watch them. So, TJ, what's your one best tip for somebody trying to learn CW?
Well, Vince, I'd have to say, I'm going to throw a question right back at you. What is the most important thing to receive on CW if you're receiving CW?
A call sign.
Yes, your call sign.
Right.
So I know you'll probably A, send, and B, probably receive your call sign more than any other character set or any word ever.
Sure.
Even 73 or TU. Um, I my tip is to recognize your call sign sent at the fastest speed you can think of. And I guess I should probably qualify that and say maybe up to 40 words a minute. Can you recognize your call sign at up to 40 words a minute? You should be able to do that.
I got work to do.
Yeah.
What a
Well,
great tip.
yeah, it helps for Parks on the Air, Summits on the Air, chasing DX, contesting, everything.
All of that stuff. Well, TJ, thanks very much for coming along on the 1CW question project. 73 and Ham Smarter.
You bet. CW on, my friends.